Trading talaga is an emotional animal, diba? So, ang technique dyan, instead of focusing on emotions, focus on the science and mathematics.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we're here again on Fintech Festival. Of course, meron tayong kababayan, ang sikat na si
Coach Miranda Minor.
Yan, and the Facebook page is
Coach Miranda Minor.
And ang pangalan niya ay
Coach Miranda Minor.
Coach Miranda. Ito, matanong. How can they pursue trading? Ilang beses na sila natalo, nasunog, na margin call, and they wanted to stop. How do you talk to these kinds of traders? What is it for them to continue trading?
Trading talaga is an emotional animal, diba? So, ang technique dyan, instead of focusing on emotions, focus on the science and mathematics of trading. At least in my own opinion, look at the standard deviation and correlation in dalawang mathematics na yan of the coins. Tingnan ninyo yung volatility. Pag sobrang volatile, layuan nyo. Pag maganda yung standard deviation, tulad ng Bitcoin, medyo pagka-stable coin yan, kumaga limit your risks. From an emotion management perspective, mga talagang talong-talo na kayo. Hindi naman kasi 1 week, 1 year. It takes years talaga. It takes time talaga eh. Iba-iba tayo, and please don't compare your chapter 1 to my chapter 1, to his chapter 1, to your chapter 1.
Correct.
Iba-iba tayo mga chapters, no? And siguro hanap kayo ng mentor. You need to hear your thoughts eh. Someone would need to tell you your thoughts. And when you hear it, it's a big aha moment. It's a big light bulb moment. So find a mentor like this guy. Paturo kayo, but give them a different lens. Give them a different perspective. And that could probably give you a lot of light bulb moments in your trading life.
Yeah.